Hello and welcome back to my channel, and we are doing the Ipsy. I know they changed the names on them, but I'm just going to keep calling it the Glam bag. I think it's called the original bag or something like that, but just to let you know that a little housekeeping here before we go on. I have changed channels. If you are on my Jennifer Minors and Makeup channel, you are on the right channel. But if you are on the Jennifer's Atelier channel, I have moved channels. If you would like to keep following me, I am posting this on both channels, but I know this gets a lot of views, but if you would like to follow me on my other channel, I will be posting mainly onto that channel, all my unboxings and everything like that. So I will leave a link in my description box to my new channel if you wouldn't mind following me on that channel. If you want to continue seeing my glam bag unboxings and my ice cream beauty box unboxings, if you could click over there and follow me over there on that channel, I would greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Okay, so this month, this is the bag. I know C was saying she doesn't like the bag, and I can see why, but I kind of like the bag. I kind of like the bag and the little purple details. And let's see what the zipper pull looks like. Oh, that is cute. I do like that zipper pull. That little jewel accent there. But I can see it's not very... I mean, it'll get dirty very easily. It'll get dirty very easily. But I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I think I might move my makeup into it and just see how dirty it gets. Let's see what the inside looks like. Let me just open it up. Okay, it is purple. It is purple on the inside. So this is our glam bag for the month of November. And let's see what it says here. It says, paint the season bright this holiday season. Don't just deck the halls, line your eyes, gloss your lips, and paint the season bright. Okay, and it has some save the dates, choice for your December bag, add-ons for your December bag, and just some information on the inside here, and it does have information on what I got in my Ipsy bag here. So we are going to go down. I've already got some swatches on my hand here of what we're going to be looking at. So what is the first thing here? We've got the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Luminize. Ooh, it's a luminizing primer. It's a luminizing primer. And I've got that here on the middle. Yeah, it is the middle swatch on my hand. That one right there. That is the swatch right there. And what is it? This is a mini right there, and that's what it looks like. Can't wait to try that. And what it says is, glow up in one step with this radiance boosting primer that helps blur the look of pores and smooth uneven texture for a soft focus finish infused with crushed stardust pearls for that lip from within look. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $40. Tip for an extra radiance, pat onto cheekbones as a finishing touch. Okay, so that if you notice who's missing, we are missing Pickles. She is in the beauty room sitting on the couch this morning. She is not joining us this morning. So the next product we have is the Lava Beauty Grand Glow Illuminator in Pearl. So that's what we have there, and that is the swatch of that on my hand right there. Very pretty color, Very pretty color. Here's what the outside looks like. So we've got a highlighter here. That is the box that it came in right there. So we've got a makeup product. We've got 2 makeup products. 1 primer. I don't know if you count that as a makeup product or not. And we've got 2 skincare items. So this says turn up the radiance with this silky powder designed to help give your skin a buildable goddess-worthy glow. Mica helps reflect light for a luminous finish and blends effortlessly. Tip, dampen your brush before application for next level glass-like shine. Oh, I like these tips. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $36. Okay, now for my pick. Every Glam bag you get to pick 1 product that you're going to get, and I got these Aceology Hydro Glow and Deep Hydration Watermelon Eye Mask Duos. So you get 2 of them here. It says watermelon aloe leaf extract and hyaluronic acid in them. And what does it say about this? It says these under eye patches do heavy lifting while you do you. Infused with invigorating watermelon extract, they help depuff, brighten, and hydrate tired eyes in just 20 minutes. Power nap or power through emails, you'll look more wide awake either way. Chill in the fridge before use for extra refreshing boost. That is the tip. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $29. So you probably get like, I don't know, between 5 and 10 of these, something like that. So the next product that I have is the Mo Beauty Mo Dimensional Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow in Glazed. So this is a full-size product at $16. And I have the swatch right here. Very, very pretty swatch. Does it say what color it is? It just says glazed and glazed. Prepare for major eye envy. This ultra creamy liquid eyeshadow delivers a high shine champagne metallic finish. That finish that shifts shades with every blink. The long wearing formula glides on like a dream, dries down fast and stays put. No creasing, smudging, or fading in light. Tips, wipe directly onto your lids and blend for a one and done shimmer look. Very, very pretty. I wish I was a... Oh, have you been looking at my foot the whole time? I'm sorry. Excuse my foot there. Okay, I wish I was more of a liquid lash person. Liquid this kind of person. Liquid eyeshadow person. I'm just not. Okay, then we have the last product here, which is a face scrub. It is the Dermalactis Purifying Gentle Face Scrub. And this is probably the thing I'm least excited about. It says this gentle face scrub helps banish dullness to reveal radiant, smoother looking skin with each rinse. Plant-based crystalline cellulose helps smooth your complexion, while the non-stripping formula supports softness and a calm, balanced complexion. Tip, let your fingers do the work. Massage gently for a next level glow. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP, oh my gosh, the MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $140. OMG. Okay, so here is all the items that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Here is the Glam bag right here. Let me know what you think of this. Did you get a Glam bag this month? Did we get the same items? Let me know down below. Check the description box. Go follow me on my other channel if you are not already. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.